Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management is a degree program at Universidad de Santa Isabel catering to students who are interested in the hospitality industry. In this institution, they hone and upskill the students' innate capabilities and awaken their potential for them to be fully equipped when they conquer the world outside the university. Having industry-trained instructors, great facilities, and various organizations that help to further nurture and educate the students, we guarantee the best education.
I'm Rita Rose Martinez, and I'm the co-owner of Emerita. One of our subjects was culinary arts and sciences, and I'm still able to consistently practice it up until now. Meron din kami management courses like inventory management and personal management. Personally, what I love most being part of the hospitality industry is yung pag-develop ng personal connections with people from all walks of life. Second siguro is yung mga activities like mixing drinks, baking, cooking, and events management. If you have a passion in providing quality service and experience to other people or managing a hotel or restaurant, I would definitely recommend PSH10. It's a course that offers wide array of hospitality management related subjects. Why I took the course was because of the job opportunities locally and globally.